Hey, I should come as girly. Who's the baby?
Yeah, she's got a good one up there.
The Sarah.
Go to Grandma.
The Sarah. Oh. What's
There they are. Show Grandma the one on the top, eh?
Show Grandma the one on the top.
Get a nice big one on the top.
Oh. No? There, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look at the Mama. Mama? Can you say Mama? Mama?
She says, I've been practicing, Grandma, while you were away, but...
Oh, my baby. There. There. There, Mama. There's a...
See, Grandma, don't get too close, because I can zoom you in nice and close.
Oh, no. No, no. Oh, wait a minute. It's sleeping right.
Is Grandma sticking her finger in your eye again?
Yeah.
Hey?
Where's Mama's? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Oh, my baby. Oh, it's my baby. Oh. Oh. She wasn't gonna wait for you.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Be nice to say, Mama had it on film. No. There's the baby. Baby, there.
Is that right?
Yeah, let me take a picture of you. Hey, Mama. Mama. You're not going to smile? No, he's not. Yeah.
There you go, pull Grandma's glasses off, huh?
No. Oh, that was sweaty. No. Oh, that's a dead Sarah. Stop it, but put some sunglasses on.
Who is that sexy chick?
Because you sort of know them off.
So we just got a minute left, so Grandma would just stay there for a minute, huh?
Okay.
Grandma
Took
looks
all
so
that
thrilled.
picture. Yeah, I took all those pictures. No lipstick. Didn't comb my hair. Ah! We never get to Hollywood this way, Cindy. You're supposed to tell us. Look at Sarah hair's a mess too. Sarah hair in a mess.
That's okay, when it's messy, it's more noticeable.
Oh, Sarah hair is a mess. Oh, gee. Oh, my baby.
Say bye-bye, everybody. Until Christmas time.